Class 204 means 74. Automatic washing machine. So again, this is same thing, microcontrol. Okay, the control unit means microcontroller. Okay, so see, it will have a drum where clothes means laundry is loaded. Then there will be a water pump and valves to control the water flow. Then a motor to rotate the drum. Okay, there is drum here. Okay, so then heater is there to heat the water. It is heater is there. It is left to you whether to heat the water. Okay, so these are the actuators. Okay, and these are the sensors. Controller, this is like engine. Drum means engine or the process where it is happening, platform. Okay, now in the drum there will be a sensor, water level sensor, again water temperature sensor, again drum speed, also whether the door is opened or closed, that signal will be there, sensor will be there. And other inputs are clock inputs, then program will be written. Okay, that will be data given by the user also, that is not shown here. Anyhow, we will have in as you study more and more in the block diagram, you will show only 80 to 90% of the parts, not 100%. Right. So what happens is, first you will load the clothes into the drum. Okay, and required detergent into the detergent dryer. There will be a detergent drawer or compartment. Okay, we will see that. There are two types of washing machines. One is top loading. See, you are loading the clothes from top. See, this is top loading washing machine. This is front loading washing machine. You can see clothes are put horizontally and the drum will be rotating horizontally. In the top loading, drum will be rotating vertically like this. Okay, this is costlier. Front loading is costlier. This is costlier. See, you can see here. This is nothing but the dryer where the detergent is put. You can see here also.
Washing machine. A washing machine or washer is a machine designed to clean laundry, such as clothing, towels, and sheets. Hand operated washing machines appeared in the 1850s. The first modern machine was developed in 1910 by an American, Alva J. Fisher. To understand top loading washing machines, let's look at these shared characteristics: tub on a vertical axis, central agitator, motor and a pump, fill valve, timer and selector switches, clutch and brake mechanism, motor coupler, and or belt. The tub is where you put the clothes. In most washing machine brands, this tub has hundreds of small holes that allow the water.
See a small error in the video. The anchor says this is a top loading water machine. Actually this is front loading, not top loading. Okay, because you are loading from the front, rest everything is okay.
To flow through to an outer tub. The outer tub is solid and holds the water. At the center of the inner tub is an agitator. The agitator pivots clockwise and counterclockwise about
Or maybe front loading itself. The, in the video it has shown as tilted. Okay, while rotating it will rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise so that water is cleaned thoroughly.
about three-fourths of a revolution, plunging clothes through water to wash them. Clothes keep moving from the top of the tub down to the bottom and back again. This motion, along with friction caused by clothes rubbing together, allows detergent and water to reach every nook and corner of your load and loosens soil. The motor drives the agitator during the wash cycle and spins the clothes during the damp, dry, or spin cycle. The
See this figure, okay, which is shown here, okay, just in the bottom left hand corner. This is definitely front loading washing machine. Okay, later the person might have shown the video of top loading, that is different. Okay, anyhow, that is not a big issue here. Now see here the operations. Okay, we will put the detergent in the detergent compartment just shown here. Okay, you will see, you will open this, you will put detergent here, that we will see again later. Let us see here. It is, see, this is top loading. It's also written top load washing machine review. Okay, see here. Let us see whether, okay, we will see it later. Okay, now this is called as control console. You can see keypad here. Okay, you have display as well as keys in the bottom left side corner. You can select the cycle what you need. Cycle means there are different operations. Let us see. First is pre-wash cycle. Okay, say some clothes are heavily soiled, means lot of dirt is there. Suppose a person is coming from garage, or some school children, or children are had come from playground after playing, heavy soil will be there. So directly if you wash, it will not be enough. So you have to do two wash cycles. First is called as pre-wash cycle. Okay. So during this pre-wash cycle, which is done with the plain water, usually detergent will not be put. Why unnecessarily waste it? So it will be done with simple cold water. Okay. But there is also option, you can put detergent also. Then you have next operation as wash cycle. So during wash cycle, detergent is taken, and temperature of the water is also heated. But again, if you don't want to spend your electricity bill, you need not heat the water, left to you. Okay, next, after heating, after wash cycle, main wash cycle, we have what is called as rinse cycle. Okay, after pre-wash cycle, the water will be drained, means water will be removed. Then for the main wash cycle, again fresh water will be taken inside. Then after that, again that water will be drained, means sent out. Then rinse cycle. Rinse andre you are again putting fresh water, and rinsing means you are removing the detergent from the water. ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಅಲುಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಬೂನನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So rinsing will be done 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then after rinsing we have spin cycle, means ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಹಿಂಡುವುದು. So during spin cycle the motor rotation will be faster. It will be high speed. Again you can select all these things. See in this, see how many controls is there here. You can see in the uh, see there in the bottom. See before this you can see in the in the display you have, there are lots of switches. Okay, so you can, in the control console, this is called as control console. Okay, means keyboard, and see this is a control console. You can have your lots of, now the video has started. Okay, so you can select any wash cycle how you need. Okay, then after the spin cycle, the controller will give an indication, final indication that the process is complete. Means it will give a beep sound and an indicator. Okay, so initially we had manual operating. Okay, washing machine operated manually. Then we came semi-automatic washing machine. Now it is fully automatic washing machine. Means once you put the laundry detergent and open the tap of the water input, switch on the machine, select the cycle, what all you need. Then automatically the machine will perform all the cycles and give the beep sound that the machine is ready after spin. Okay, now some important points. Okay, see what happens in a wash cycle. Okay, see when it is a wash cycle, first what the machine has to do, see microprocessor switches a current to a valve, say electrically operated valve, which permits cold water to enter into the drum. As the water is permitted to enter into the drum, in the drum water level increases. When it reaches the desired level, water level sensor will give signal to the microprocessor, which will switch off this valve now. Okay, so here we have water level sensor and valve here. Microprocessor will first give signal to the valve as you press the start button. Okay, then water will come into the drum through the pipe, because see this is the valve. Okay, pipe, water pipe input is not shown here. Pipe input will come like this into the drum. You will open the valve here. Okay, right, you will open means microprocessor will open through the driver. There will also be driver is not shown here. And water level sensor will give the output that will be given to the MUP control unit, but again not directly like this. It is after signal level conditioning. Details are not shown here. Okay, next, after that what will happen, the motor will rotate. So microprocessor then switches the drum motor to rotate. Okay, say 2 minutes, 3 minutes according to the cycle what you have selected. Then switch off the motor. Now the heavily soiled clothes, Okay, heavily soiled clothes, their uh, some dirt will be removed. Next, after that time, microprocessor will switch on the discharge pump. Discharge pump is there. See, discharge pump is there, which drains the water, removes the water which is inside the washing machine. Okay, so this is what is in the pre-wash cycle. These four operations happen here. In the main wash cycle, again the four operations repeat, but there is a chance for the temperature to get increase. In rinse cycle, there is no question of uh, temperature, etc. Water will come, it will rotate, then again drain means discharge, then again water inlet, water come, again rotate. So like this, 2 to 3 times it will happen. Okay. Next, finally spin cycle. After removing the detergent, the microprocessor will rotate at high speed. You can set this again 600 rpm, 1200 rpm, 300 rpm. So like that. What usually people do is in summer season they will spin at a lesser speed, because if you spin at more speed, more load to the machine. Okay, in rainy season, spin at a higher speed because you have to remove more water from the clothes. Okay, it is enough if you write this much for examination. See, if possible, see in the point number 6, A, B, C, D. Okay, here the four operations given here. Okay, these four operations actually what happens here 4, 5. These are written shortly in this bracket. If you want, you can write what is in the bracket, else ignore. Okay, fine. Now we can see some video also. Let us see. One video we have seen, another video let us see.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जी फोटो। मैंने पहले भी एलजी का एक वॉशिंग मशीन का वीडियो डाला है, बट बहुत लोग कमेंट किए हैं उसमें। हाँ, आपका अगर बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक या
See water inlet. Okay, water connection is there to the pipe. Okay, in the washing machine you will have water inlet point. To there you should connect pipe, and that pipe should be free. Tap to this pipe should be open. Okay, see this is outgoing water. Okay, the discharge pump when switched on, water inside the drum will go out here. Discharge. This is wiring diagram. Okay, etc. etc. Not required to you. Control console. You will see later. Uh, this is called as door. This is top loading washing machine. Okay. We'll see control console. See, this is the control console. You have here different options: heavy, normal, light. Heavy means for the clothes, for like bed sheet, or heavy, heavy, thick clothes. Normal, and this is for light. If you select heavy, the motor will rotate with high speed and high power like that. Okay, so you can select for 5 minutes, 25 minutes, etc., etc. Lot of options are there. Okay, first switch on this power, select the cycle, and then press start. Once you press start, then it will do itself. So load the cloth, and you have the detergent dryer. That, let us see whether we can
बंद
see
हो जाएंगे, ये देखिए
the detergent dryer.
बंद हो जाएंगे।
हाँ, it
टॉप
is
लोडिंग
coming.
वॉशिंग मशीन।
See,
दूसरा, अगर बीच में आप खोल दिया तो जहाँ से उधर उसी टाइम पोस्ट होते हैं, पोस्ट होके फिर
see,
और इसमें ट्रे है।
see, this is the detergent tray. Okay, you will put detergent powder here. You can also put liquid. Okay, there will be actually three trays: detergent tray for wash, detergent tray for pre-wash, and also fiber softener. ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ತಿಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಅಥವಾ some use softener, and also for like getting good smell, you have finisher. So that also can be put. It will have three compartments, or two, or at least one will be there.
फिर भी हम इसमें नहीं डालते हैं, हम कभी डालते हैं, हम डायरेक्ट इसमें अंदर जितना चाहिए उसमें, क्योंकि
See, you need not put there. You can also put directly. That is what this person says. So sometimes what happens is, if you put there, okay, the machine will take. But if there is lot more than required, if you put detergent powder there, what will happen is, some detergent may get clotted there and block the holes, and some put here itself. But it is not always possible. For fiber softener, you may have to put there, because it is automatic process, is it not? Right. Let us move.
ना थोड़ा सा भी उसमें सोप का स्मेल आएंगे डिटर्जेंट का, इसलिए। और ये खोल सकते हैं इसमें से, ये ऐसे खोल सकते हैं, ये ठीक है। इसके बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है, फिर भी आपको पता होगा।
This is
ये एकदम
actually,
क्लियर।
anyhow, extra information. Some, not this one. Some have. No, I don't want to confuse you. Sorry. Anyhow, this is enough for you. If you want
ये
to
सेंस करेंगे,
see,
ये सब चीज़ आप इसमें ज़माने से पता चले कितना, ये सब दोनों, ये आप
see, wash cycle, spin cycle, wash, rinse, spin. Okay. If you select wash, it will do all these three. If you select spin, it will do only these two. If you select spin, it will do only spinning, or according to the design. Okay. You can select how much clothes are there. If you are putting just half kg cloth, you can select this. So automatically the machine will take only less water. If you are going to put fully, say 6 kg clothes, depends upon the your family or number of clothes what you have to wash. You can select these. Okay. So there are lots of things you will have to read manual. Okay, right.
जल्दी जल्दी वाश हो जाएगी 3 इसमें 2 आ गया ये सब ऑटो